Good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm here for a little experiment. I'll tell you more about it up next. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. I'm here to see how much I can do without a fast pass and on a time limit. I must leave here at 1. The park opens at 9. So what's that, like 4 hours? Let's see how much I can do in 4 hours without a fast pass. The park doesn't officially open until 9, but it looks like they have opened up Pandora early. It's 8:20, so we're gonna get an early start on the day. A little extra minutes for my experiment today. So I am officially in line for the flight of passage, doing the Pandora shuffle as we try to make our way into the queue. And at rope drop, they've already listed the wait time as 60 minutes, which is sort of what I expected. So this is actually my first time going through standby. Normally this is a fast pass for me. And quite honestly, it's going pretty fast, it feels like right now.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. You've all got them. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number. You're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
You're all clear.
Great.
And here we go, onto our Banshee for our flight of passage. Wow, that was amazing. What an incredible, incredible ride. A couple things I like to note about this ride. It's very cool that when you're sitting on the ride vehicle that you can actually feel the Banshee breathing. That's really cool. The 3D effects are awesome, and I love the smells. Just like Soarin', they're gonna pump in smells. And the thing is, I almost did like a ride challenge. Which is better, the Flight of Passage or Soarin'? Oh, even though I'm not doing that challenge, I kind of think this ride is better. So the whole process took me about 40 minutes. I got in line at 8:20. I got off the ride itself, at 9 o'clock. So 40 minutes total. Now, I didn't get to see like the good part of the queue because I guess I'm here so early that just skipped right ahead. And then the the ride attendant was looking for a party of one. So that jumped me ahead even further. So, all very good things. So that's something to note. When you're here in your party of one, keep your eyes and ears open for them asking for a party of one. You may jump ahead a little bit. And here's a little pro tip when dealing with the parks. Now, Animal Kingdom wasn't even supposed to open till 9 o'clock today, but they opened the park early, so that's a good reason to get here early, because sometimes they will start letting guests in early and to start enjoying the actual rides of the park. So here it is, like 9:05. The park technically was just open 5 minutes ago, and I've already completed the Flight of Passage. That's amazing. Wow, having just gotten off the ride, which took me 40 minutes from start to finish, it is now bumped up to a 150-minute wait. What a time savings getting here at 8. And as we leave Pandora onto the next adventure, I was talking to a cast member, and she said they really try to open the park early. For example, the start time was listed as 9 a.m. today, and she said they really try to open it at least 30 minutes early, so at 8:30. They try their best to do that. They can't always do it, but it's something they really strive to do. And you can see by my total wait time from getting in line to getting off the ride at 40 minutes, and then now being a 150-minute wait. Yeah, getting here early really pays off. Pro tip. So what we're doing now is we're going to try to make our way to another classic Animal Kingdom attraction, which is going to be Kilimanjaro Safari. And again, I'm doing this today with no fast passes whatsoever. I'm guessing by the time I get over there, it will be at least a 60-minute wait. But hey, I'm so happy I got a little bit of a time savings with this whole Flight of Passage ride today. Ouch, that stings a little bit, a 65-minute wait. But the whole point of today is to see what I can do if I can get that real Animal Kingdom experience with no fast passes and being on a time crunch. So I have no choice, I am going to get in line for this right now. And FYI, as I am getting in line, it is 9:27. Let's see if this is really a 65-minute wait. See if I'm off of this ride or actually on it at 10:30. Pro tip, what to do when you're in a 65-minute line? Watch a little YouTube. And again, this is the first time I've ever done this ride without a fast pass. First time I've ever done standby. So actually, that was just a 30-minute wait. And once again, I am team back row. So what I think we'll do this time is a little music montage to see the animals. So there we go, music montage over. I hope it turned out okay, because the safari is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. In fact, I think I was a little disappointed in it until we got to the lions. I think I got some good shots of the lions. Other than that, I think things were kind of far away, so I had to zoom in a lot, which means it could have been a little bumpy viewing for you guys. But the good news is that was a really short wait. It was not 65 minutes whatsoever. Right now it is 10:25 as I'm getting off of the ride. So the wait plus the actual ride itself, you know, only took like 60 minutes. So very good. So we're gonna walk over now, I think, to another iconic Animal Kingdom attraction, which is gonna be Everest. Well, so far I would have to say things are going very well. To be here for 2 hours and to have Flight of Passage done and the safari done, that's a pretty good job. And just a little FYI on Rafiki's Planet Watch, it will be opening up again in the spring. We do not have an exact date. And as I was talking to the attendant, he said there was no major like refurbs, just a light little touch up, because nothing had been done to that in like 21 years. So the plan for Escape from Everest is going to be single rider. They have a single rider for that. That's always a good way to catch up, make up some time. Not that I really have to make up any time, because things are going extremely well today, better than I anticipated. As we're making our way over to Everest, we can see the up shows going on right now. We can see Russell and Doug in there.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Come on, come on.
Oh, I so want an orange Fanta float, but I'm going to be good today. So the wait time for Expedition Everest, not too bad at 35 minutes. So I'm guessing that single rider, 10 or 15. Let's go get on right now. And just as expected, it is listed at 15 minutes. Getting in the queue at 10:45, I should be on the train at 11 or sooner. Well, going single rider means I'm not going to be able to pick the back row. I just got to take whatever they give me. Okay, that was just an 8-minute wait.
Don't mess up the track. Oh no, we're in trouble now. He's tearing up the track. And then leaves. Oh, rude. Woohoo! Let's go, Yeti! There he is! Let's go, Yeti! Come on.
And as usual, we have to get this shot of the train coming down out of the mountain, but pay close attention. Let's see if they're saying something as they're coming out of the mountain. I could be wrong, but it sounded like they told you to subscribe. Okay, we've completed our trip on Everest. I took all the gratuitous fun shots that I want for today. And by the way, I did pass up on that orange Fanta. I was good today, but now I think maybe let's go try the Dinosaur Ride. I mean, if we can get that one in today as well, this will truly be like an ultimate Animal Kingdom experience. And FYI, today is February 28th. I know sometimes I get comments or questions asking what day I'm doing the filming, maybe because people are like thinking the wait times are so low, they really want to know what day I'm here. So today is a Thursday, February 28th. Well guys, I can see the wait time for Dinosaur is 25 minutes. Stand by, so we're gonna go in, do that right now. We are really accomplishing some stuff before like noon. It's only 11 right now. So this is a ride that I often quote. I use the quote, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it, and not our dino. For some reason, I managed to work that into my everyday life.
Tracking. Skyback not our warning.
We're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it. We made it, don't worry about it. It's funny how I managed to work that phrase and not our dino into like everyday life. As I get off the ride at 11:45, just after 11:45, the wait time has gone up to 75 minutes for Dinosaur right now. Crazy, I'm so lucky to get in when I did. Okay guys, we have reached the 12 o'clock hour. That is the end of my 4-hour time limit of my day here at Animal Kingdom without any fast passes, and I think we did a pretty good job. I got into the park at 8. I got in line for Flight of Passage at 8:20. Then we did the Safari, and then Everest, and then Dinosaur, all before noon. I think that's a pretty good day. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flix, and now it's time to relax. To the Coke shoutouts. Okay guys, we have reached that point in the video where we need to say thank you to those of you who have donated to our coffee page and bought us a cup of coffee recently. First up, we need to give a Coke shout out to Lou. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, Lou. Next up, we have a family. The Haynes family. Thank you so much, guys. And now I'd like to share a coconut smile to the A-team, Allie and AJ. Thank you so much, guys. And now a big Coke shout out to Nelson. Thanks for supporting the channel, Nelson. And lastly for today, the winner of the Hidden Ricky contest, Dimitri. Good job finding that Hidden Ricky.